it's Avalyn here. Today I'm doing a makeup tutorial. And first I'm going to start off with the lipstick. So, what lipstick color do I choose? I'll choose this one. Lipstick. First star is lipstick. And so we are going to go ahead with this. Pour some on there. And go around here. A little bit over here. Go around on the forehead. A little over here. On my nose. A little around my eyes. Some on my neck a little bit. To know it's blended in. Got a little something on my fingers. But that's okay. And then let's go to eyes. So you have to be very careful on this, because it could get everywhere and then get super duper messy. Some people don't really use this a lot, but I don't know why. It looks kind of cute. So we're going to go on with the other part of your eyes. Which color should I choose? So many colors. Okay, I found the color that I wanted. How's that look, y'all? Looks pretty good. Get a little bit more on there. It's not really showing that much, so I'm just gonna tap it on. Maybe I should use my finger, because it won't really get on that good. Some people just use their finger because it's easier. Oh no, I gotta look on my eyelashes. Okay, that looks good. Maybe put a little bit more. Perfect. That looks good. Okay, use some for the other eye. Maybe a little bit more for this eye. There. I look cute. Now we're going to do the cheeks. Gotta get a brush. Which one looks the cutest? I say this one. It's glittery and it's light. And it's really cute. Here, some over here. It's not really getting on there. It's on the table a little bit. Somehow it's not showing up. Maybe it's supposed to not show up. Oh, that's good. Looks like that. A little bit more to make it show the glitter. Now the other side. Okay, so you got this side. This side a little bit more. Over here. Stop showing up on this cheek. It's very hard to put this on because it doesn't really show up that good. That's better. So I guess that is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Make sure to click the subscribe button and give a big thumbs up. Goodbye.